Good morning, friends, and hello, guys. You're watching and listening Science Psycho What, Why, and How. Why do we feel sleepy during boring classes? Sleep is the physiological process required for the normal intellectual function, consolidation of memory, rest for the musculoskeletal system, decreasing energy expenditure, and also replenishing the storage reserved. Sleep allows learning and memory to function properly and reinforces what we have learned during the day. This is the reason why students should have adequate sleep, especially before exams. Sleep results from the complex interaction of multiple neurotransmitter systems. As we know, limbic system is responsible for emotion and motivation. The VLPO region of the brain or the hypothalamus is sleep center. Sleep is regulated by ventrolateral preoptic nucleus or VLPO region located in the anterior hypothalamus, which in turn is controlled by the complex neural and hormonal mechanisms. The VLPO becomes active during sleep and uses the inhibitory neurotransmitter GABA, gamma aminobutyric acid, to initiate sleep. To initiate sleep by inhibiting the arousal region of the brain. So GABA is responsible for inhibiting the arousal region of the brain. There is also a biological clock within our body called the circadian rhythm, which is regulated by the suprachiasmatic nucleus and the hormones melatonin. This helps in the normal sleep-wake cycle, body temperature and secretion of hormones depending on time of the day. One of the important mechanisms that keeps us awake is ascending reticular activating system or a RAS, which collects the input from all sensory organs, eating, vision, hearing, smelling, all types of sensory inputs, and keeps activating our brain, thus making us awake and alert. During the process of sleep, the signal from the ERAS is switched off so that the person is unaware of the external stimuli. In a boring class or in a boring room session, the student himself withdraws from external stimulus and gradually goes to sleep. It is simply due to the withdrawal by our system when we cannot connect ourselves with the lecture. This reduces the sensory input and also activates the sleep center, that is VLPO. Environmental stimuli during the transition from wake to sleep, which is considered to be stage 1 of sleep. There can be other factors which are additive to this process, such as sleep deprivation for the previous day, certain medication, nutrition, excessive physical exercise, etc. Adolescents 10 to 17 years require 8.5 to 9.25 hours, around 8 hours of sleep per day. But if a person gets regular excessive daytime sleepiness, then it's better to consult a sleep specialist. I hope it won't be sleeping sickness. So the main reason that makes us sleepy during the class, if your sleep quota has been fulfilled, your nutrition, and most importantly, how we can correlate and connect with the class. Thank you for watching. Thanks for listening.